Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the CAL token from Fitburn. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting May 15th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token. So obviously, this is a fitness-based token. Fitburn, the CAL token, obviously short for calories. Burn to earn. Burn those calories to earn, right? That's what it's all about. So this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing May 15th on a central exchange called Mexc Global. Now, Mexc Global is a big exchange, so this is a big deal. Mexc Global has over 6 million users on it. So, like when I say it's a big deal, it is. Now, if you are looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search CAL, the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. And like I said, it'll be available on there May 15th. Now, if you go over to Linktree/Fitburnai, you can find, there you have a contest. It says register to win. They have a website, a white paper. Now, their white paper is very extensive, 62-page white paper. Tons of information on here. They have a Twitter. They have a Telegram. Tons of different Telegrams in different languages. Medium articles, Discord, Instagram. So they're a very well-established project. If you check out even just their Twitter has 72,700 Twitter followers. So an insane amount of followers. This is the world's first artificial intelligence-powered burn-to-earn fitness app. Revolutionizing lifestyle and health, our innovative fitness app combines cutting-edge AI mechanics with NFTs. So, also on their link tree, it says, world's first burn to earn, get paid to get fit. Official Mr. Olympia partner. So maybe that's why they're so popular. Now, it says, in the Fitburn ecosystem, there is the mobile app. So become a member of the family with the Fitburn mobile app. Access the ecosystem of fitness and well-being services on the go. Also, NFTs. Unlock exclusive fitness-related NFTs that can be traded, rented, and used to earn rewards within the Fitburn ecosystem. Also, the CAL token, which is the token being listed on Mexc Global. Access all the benefits of the Fitburn ecosystem with our CAL token. Introducing faster, more secure transactions and unique rewards. And staking. So maximize your rewards by staking the CAL token. You can thus earn additional rewards while supporting the Fitburn community. And AI module, our AI-powered module, helps you personalize your fitness and well-being journey with tailored recommendations and real-time tracking. Now, if you go to their webpage, fitburn.ai, you'll see they have a very well put-together webpage with animated stuff everywhere. It shows you what the app looks like. All sorts of cool stuff. So the Burn to Earn, the Fitburn mobile app offers a gamified experience for users to earn rewards while improving their fitness. Users can participate in challenges, track their progress, and earn CAL tokens by completing fitness goals. The app also includes features like social sharing and personalized workout plans. Get free gym memberships holding your NFT, earn rewards by burning calories, rent your NFTs to earn passive income and exclusive access to VIP events, and increased calorie cashback. They have the Fitburn NFTs, so NFT membership. Fitburn NFTs are the first things first. Having an NFT is required to use the app and earn rewards. The technology and design to offer a unique way to track your workouts and burn calories. They have the booster NFTs as well. So Fitburn NFT holders can purchase boosters to increase their daily exercise limit or get extra calorie cash back. Boosters come in two types: permanent, which are valid for a year, that doesn't sound permanent, or temporary, valid for 24 hours. Now, they show you what more of the gameplay looks like. You can scroll through pictures on the app where it shows like your wearables, your calories burned, your NFT collection, your fitness stuff, all that stuff. You can see how the app works. So you customize your workout plans. You have optimal diets and nutrition on there. Suggest training partners. Optimize daily routine to truly personalize fitness experience by analyzing the user data. So the CAL token details. The CAL token is the utility token for the Fitburn ecosystem, which can be used as a payment method. CAL token has a fixed supply and facilitates additional functions such as rewards, distribution, staking, and governance. So you can vote on proposals, which direction the project goes, by holding this governance token as well. And it is a utility token, and you can stake it. So you get rewards in CAL tokens, the increased limit for calorie cashback monthly, governance rights, access to VIP events, discounts on fees, products, services, etc. And you can check out the tokenomics are on here as well. Let's see, I open that up here. So they also have a document section. It's like a wiki, wiki.fitburn.io. If you go over there, that's a little more easy to navigate than their 62-page white paper. So yeah, then they have more types of tokenomics on here. So they have different NFTs like the t-shirts. So yeah, 2 billion tokens in total here. They go over buyback and burn, liquidity pool setup, rewards, roadmap. Let's get down to the roadmap here. So the idea was conceived, founding the team, mobile app, branding, pre-seed fundraising, website, NFT creation, legal entity established, blockchain economy, Istanbul summit, brand video creation, seed and VC round, marketing, PR, website, Mr. Olympia, Las Vegas. So they participated in that event. They also had AIBC event as well. Exploring central exchange listings, mobile app marketplace, NFT presale, NFT mint, mobile app release, and then more to be announced. So check it all out. Wiki.fitburn.io might be the easiest way to find all the info on this token. And like I said, May 15th, this token gets listed on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. If you guys don't have an account, like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.